Prosecutors and defense lawyers in the federal election case against former President Donald Trump were back in court. They were arguing over next steps in the case now that the Supreme Court has conferred broad immunity on former presidents and wiped out key allegations in the case. Special counsel Jack Smith's team responded to the Supreme Court opinion by issuing a new indictment that was meant to comply with the Supreme Court's ruling. And a lot of the arguments in court today focused on how to proceed in the case. Special counsel Jack Smith's team wants to file a brief arguing why the remaining allegations in the case should remain intact, but defense lawyers say that's not proper at this juncture. They say that the entire indictment could in fact be illegitimate and that the judge should consider dismissing it in its entirety. One of the things that was really notable is there were repeated clashes between Trump lawyer John Lauro and U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan. She repeatedly took umbrage with Lauro's suggestion that the case was unfolding at a really sensitive time. She said her interest is just about the four corners of the courtroom, what's happening legally, not about the presidential race. There was no immediate ruling, so there's still going to be a lot of work left ahead as the judge decides what acts in the indictment count as official acts and what count as unofficial acts. And that's really important because the Supreme Court said that former presidents are immune from prosecution for official acts they take while in office.